Minexa.ai automates scraping hotel listings completely, from rendering dynamic pages to handling pagination and extracting structured data quickly and easily. Open your target page on Michelin.com. Minexa.ai handles rendering and detects the structure automatically. Open the Minexa.ai extension. It works right on the page you are viewing, ready to extract your data. Hit the violet button "I'm on the right page" so Minexa.ai can separate the hotel listings from headers, sidebars, and footers. All pages are covered. Minexa.ai detected how to navigate through results and will do it automatically on every run. Select List Only to get surface data, or Detail pages to scrape deeper information behind each hotel listing. Click Continue if you see the full dataset already, or switch to Advanced mode for interactions to reveal hidden data. Minexa.ai automatically highlights the data section. If the selection looks correct, click Create Scraper to analyze and detect all data points quickly. Every data point is mapped precisely. You can select columns like hotel names, locations, prices, and guest reviews to keep your extraction consistent and accurate. Developers can click the API request button to see how Minexa.ai handles different page layouts, returning errors instead of wrong data. Complete your setup by clicking Complete Configuration to validate and finalize your scraper settings. No results will be missed. Minexa.ai detects and saves multi-page navigation to run automatically every extraction. One click and your scraper is live. For regular updates, set the frequency before confirming the setup. Click Run to start. Each run executes over a stable scraper configuration, ensuring consistent data without retraining. Alongside visible fields like hotel names and reviews, hidden data, such as image URLs, nested details, and attributes, are extracted and preserved in original structure for full accuracy. Export your output easily. Nested data stays structured in JSON and expands into columns when exporting to Excel for immediate use. Get your first production dataset in minutes. Reuse the same scraper repeatedly without retraining to keep your data fresh, effortlessly.